Navigating the meaning of heading for trouble. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in conversations, movies, and books. Heading for trouble. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also improve your comprehension of the nuances in English. So, let's get started and explore what it means to be heading for trouble. Heading for trouble is an idiom that implies someone is on a path or course of action that is likely to lead to problems or danger. It's used to warn or express concern that the current actions or decisions may result in negative consequences. Think of it as seeing someone walking towards a pitfall without realizing it. The phrase encapsulates the idea of moving towards difficulty or conflict without necessarily intending to. To fully grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. If someone says, "He's skipping school and hanging out with the wrong crowd," he's really heading for trouble. It means that the person's actions are likely to lead to negative outcomes, such as poor grades or bad influences. In a different scenario, this company is heading for trouble if it continues to ignore customer complaints. Suggests that the business could face serious problems, like losing customers or facing legal issues, due to its current practices. These examples highlight how the phrase can be applied to both personal and professional situations, always carrying a warning of impending difficulties. Using heading for trouble in conversation shows not only your proficiency in English but also your ability to understand and convey nuanced perspectives. Here are a few tips. Use it as a warning or advice to someone about their current path or decisions. It can be a sympathetic observation about someone's situation, showing concern for their well-being. Remember, it's a figurative expression, so it's best used in informal contexts or discussions where you're analyzing someone's actions and the likely outcomes. Understanding idioms like heading for trouble enriches your English learning experience, allowing you to express complex ideas succinctly and connect more deeply with native speakers. We hope this exploration has shed light on how to use and understand this phrase in various contexts. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find yourself navigating through English with greater ease and confidence. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next language adventure together.